Well, I'm stringing up the harp now. Next I'm gonna do is place these 6 strings. Plenty of strings to come. Okay, here are the strings with all the ferrules.
One eternity later.
Well, the highest were tuned. They're already gone again. But this is the sound.
One eternity later. A lot of boring math later.
Well, to help me with the tuning, I placed some letters on the tuners. I'm not yet finished with the last one, and the first one's already out of tune, but I let this stand for the weekend, and then the last ones I did tune again, so they're a bit higher than the rest. And the next that I'm gonna do is someone who plays in a Spanish band asked me if I could repair his, I believe it's called, well, plenty strings, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 strings, and it has a great dent around here, and the crack that goes from, well, all the way around from here all the way to here. And I'm gonna fix that with some clamps I did make myself. But this is for next week, and this week's video was my well, final for the Harp build.